Oh, what's up, B? So yeah, part 3, trading the triangle pattern, right angle triangle pattern. This is part 3 of the right angle triangle series. This is where I left off on part 2. Yeah. So let's get it. Let's get it, bro. 19 February 2021, 22, 23. There. So this is the pattern. This is the only pattern that I'll be trading. Trying to build the skills necessary to be a successful trader, which is trading without fear, you know, patience, understanding that trading is completely different from your 9 to 5, basically shifting your paradigm to understanding this whole career, basically. This whole career path that I've chosen for myself. So yeah, let's see what happens here. It's really about focusing on consistency, like consistently making money on the charts, rather than focusing on making winning trades. We want to consistently make money. Okay, that means recognizing that we are going to face losing trades. We are going to have um, losing weeks. But what's important is that looking for high probability setups, right? Trading exactly what you need to be trading. Know your pair, master your pair. Um, and don't be afraid of missing out. Okay, just understand that this is the game. This is the trading game. Okay, it's a bit weird. Okay, I can't say weird, but different from what we've been programmed. Very much different. So here, it's not a matter of placing hundreds of trades, right? It's not the more work you put in, the more money. It's about quality work, you know. Because for us traders, uh, not looking at the charts when there's no opportunity is that's a skill on its own, bro. And I don't think many people understand that, stepping away from the charts is harder than it seems, especially when um trading is your only source of income. Okay, see something. And also sticking to your trading plan harder than it seems. Okay, sticking to that proper risk management, that is not easy, bro. Sticking to, let's say, what's my trading plan? Risk 1% to make uh risk 1% to make 1.6. That is not easy. Okay, refraining from trading, that is not easy. So we have to learn that sometimes not looking at the charts, that's actually putting in work. Okay, so complete paradigm shift is what it is. Patience is key also in this area. Yeah, I'm not in a rush to trade. I can just let it do its thing. I see my pattern, right? I see it, but why is there a but? You know that you should be selling. Yeah, it just I'd rather let it give me clear setups, okay? Clearer setups. There we go. Monday we did not trade. What about Tuesday? Go ahead and press play. See what's happening. Let it play out. Sometimes I backtest without music, sometimes with music, but it's all basically just to get a better focus and a better understanding of the charts. Yeah. Do you see this? Do you see this? Okay. See, I'm looking for a specific pattern, right? I'm looking for something very specific. When it shows itself, right? Identify and then take the trade. Simple as that. Do not fear, do not hesitate, just identify, place the trade. Boom. Boom. This is the pattern right here. Okay. I'm not gonna ignore this. Hold up. I'm not gonna ignore this support area right here because it is there. Yes, definitely there. Okay, this is also here. Cannot ignore it. What time is it? Alright, 8 p.m. We're not looking, just looking for the right angle triangle pattern, right? Just let it play out. See what one. Pulsing upwards, that's what we want to see. Push, 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 push upwards. This is what we want right here. All right. This is what I want. Just a bit upwards. Stop loss entry is vitally important, and it's based on price action more than anything else. Let's let this one play out and see what happens. There we go, we're placed in. Whoa! The fuck? Okay, these cannot be avoided. I'm not gonna lie to you. These things, they do happen. Which is why it is very, very important to pay careful attention to stop loss entry. If we have any news, careful attention to that. And to stick to the trading plan, okay? Stick to the trading plan. Risk that 1% per trade. Don't risk 5% because this is a single trade. Don't risk, like just because you feel better, just because you feel good about a certain trade. Don't risk higher. Listen, I'm only taking high probability trades and they still fail. High probability trades. Now, I'm not talking about medium to low probability, high probability trades. Because listen, this resistance right here and this trending resistance right here, and coupled with this pattern, this is triple confirmation. 3 times the confirmation, okay? 3 times. So you can't be like, okay, this 3 times confirmation, so I'm just gonna risk like 10%. No, bro, no. This is trading. Market can do whatever the fuck it wants. So once you've been stopped out on a trade, just go ahead and get out of the market. Yeah, and stop looking at the chart. Just go ahead and close, hit the gym, because that's work on its own. Taking a loss and just moving on, that is a skill. Trading without fear, that is a skill. Sticking to the trading plan, one of the hardest skills you can learn. Not trading for an entire week, even though you've been looking for opportunities, that is a skill. Ain't easy, but that's a skill. Not trading for an entire week, even though you've been looking for entries and not finding clear opportunities, and still not trading, not force trading, not revenge trading. These are the skills, and we need to be able to recognize when we're breaking our rules, when we are not following our trading plan, when we are trading something that is not in our edge. We need to be able to recognize that. So yeah, my main focus being that that right angle channel is my main focus. I see something. I don't know how valid it is though. Yeah. instance. Boom. Nah, this is not very good. Let's let it play out. So go 6. Up. Didn't get a trade. I think we'll be able to have to accept that, you get 1 trade a week. Good weeks, we get like 3 to 4 trades a week. And that's a very good week. So that's that. Right angle triangle pattern series recognition. Right angle triangle pattern recognition series. Don't be afraid to miss out, okay? It will happen at some point or another. You will miss out on trades. Those are the skills necessary. Because look, it's an entire trade and I haven't placed anything. No trade whatsoever. Only placed 1 trade and it was a loser. Some weeks, man, are not ideal for trading. I'm not gonna lie. Some weeks just have less opportunities. Doing this for like 2 years now. Consistently. It's been 2 years. I've been trading like this and trading consistently. I'm not saying I've been making consistent profits. It's been ups and downs. But yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up, man. Strictly trading the right angle triangle. Even this seemed like a good pattern. Double confirmation. The resist with the support, previous resistance turned support. Trading support. It's a good area to buy, but that's not what I'm trading. What am I trading? I'm trading the right angle triangle. Right? And I'm trading it between 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Before that and after that, I'm not trading. No. It's almost 5. Let's see. Here's the thing. How do I know if I'm entering a trade too early? Well, look for your support areas, okay? This is one right here. Hey, boy. This is your support area. Long position. Placing with 5 basically. Instant execution. Stop loss entry below. Yeah, it can reverse here, come here, reverse, crosses through here. Fucked. And making a pixie, son. Paying careful attention, I can see an uptrend. Yeah, I'm not too sure about it. Yeah, it's not quite clear. This could be an early entry. But let's let it play out and see what happens. 1 for 1. Because early entry I'm risking 0.5%. Let's see what happens. Pausing upwards. Risk reduced to break even at this point. It's called managing the risk. In essence, take profit one should be hit, right? Especially if I've placed 50%, $50 on this trade. Rather, I place $25 on this trade. So, let's see what happens. Now we're looking at a win, a loss. What are we looking at? Brand new day. Yeah, we've already reduced risk to break even, remember? Why? It's gyrating way too long. We don't want to see it do that. Because it tells us, this consolidation tells me that there's an upcoming impulse movement, a strong one even, that's coming up, okay? In fact, what I want, I should already be out of this trade. All right, look. I'm already at break even, so what's happening? It's Friday already. Crazy. I see another pattern. All right, let's just close this trade over here. No, I want to see impulse upwards towards this area. Towards this area right here, and then I can close. I'm already at break even, I want to see impulse so I can sell. Yep. I'm out of the trade. So what am I looking at? It's trading 5, make 30. So I'm looking at plus $25 here. This one is a break even. Closing this trade. A break even. Backtesting. And there we go. We're sitting at another break even. Okay. So beautiful, beautiful pattern right here. If you can notice it, it's beautiful, beautiful right angle triangle. This is a beautiful strategy, man. I have to stick to it. There we have a right angle triangle. Okay. What we want to do is instantly execute, right? Okay, hold up. It's consolidating in this area. It's not an FP week. So what I want to see position, instant execution. There. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, there's no reason for me to place my stop loss so high. Crazy, right? Placing it over here. Slightly above. Okay. What's the price that I placed it at? 40. Placing it at 50. I'd place it at 45. 45 to 46. It could be, yeah, it could chase the 50 level. What level am I at now? 30. That's 10 pips. Placed at 45. Where's take profit one? Right here. Alright. This is an instant execution, by the way. Yeah. Let's let it play. Alright, see what happens. It's a Friday, so I don't want to take this across the weekend. I'd like to see this close. It's playing around. Yeah, take profit one hit. It's plus $25. Break even. Alright. Damn. Go ahead, hit take profit 2. Another break even. Okay, wait. Just yadlala nje. Almost at take profit. It's almost at break even. What the fuck? Why did it pause like that? Alright, just pause. Wagwan. What's going on now? What time is it? It's 9. Okay. I don't want to cross. I want to like hold this for the entire weekend. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically take profits. Alright, so considering this as break even trade. Okay? Because in context, take profit 2 should have already been hit. Right? This resistance area right here, this support area right here has been hit. So now it's reversing upwards. So it's now negating my setup. Okay? So I'll consider this as another break even for the sake of not holding trades throughout the weekend. Another break even. Alright? Other break even was plus 30. This is a plus 50 because I made 2 break evens. Right? Plus $50. Alright. Wait, did I record that loss that I took? I didn't. No. 4 losses. Minus $50. Let's let it play out. Khalilin. Too bad. I don't want to hold this over for the weekend, but I still want to know what it'll do. Alright, let's do this. Go ahead to the 1 hour. 6, 27, 28, 29, 1. No, 30, yes. If you remove these distractions, these tiny distractions, you're gonna see some, right? Do you see that? I see it. Crap. Yep. Crap. Back to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see, what do we have here? There we go. Set it play out, sibone yenzalani. Whoa, wagwan. What's happening? What going on? What's going on? Oh, fuck. Okay. Let's see if our pattern is realized. Not necessarily. Seems like a wonderful sell. Sure does. It sure does. What's going on? Okay. Do we have a pattern? We do have upward momentum, bullish trend. Okay. There we go. Push downwards is what we want. Push downwards is what we're looking for. Oh, okay. This is what we're looking for. Push downwards. Looks like we're not going to be entering a trade. Imagine a few minutes ago I saw a good buy and sell entry. Now I'm seeing a good buy entry. Yes. We still have time. Still got a little bit of time. All right. I bet. Now I see a long position. Right here. This is where my stop loss will be. Just below this area. Right, and I am expecting a beautiful impulse straight towards the upside. Just gonna go towards the 15-minute time frame. Analyze proper. Yeah, this movement is not exactly wrong. We would be looking to push towards that area, this resistance area right here. Yeah, take profit one, just around here. Take profit two, just around here. Okay, and then that's take profit 3. Basically, I am risking 50 to make around, what, 100? What am I making? 100 and something. Yeah, risking 50 to make 100 instead of risking 50 to make 80. Go ahead to your 5-minute. Let's see if we get placed in or not. Ngihlale ngasifaki phela, especially what times at 4:15. So play out. Okay, it's almost 5. Placed in. Let's see what happens. Almost take profit 1. Take profit 1 hit. Move stop to break even. Now we're not risking anything. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is the right angle triangle. That's what I'm trading. If you look properly, you'll be able to see it. But let me just highlight it for the sake of highlighting it. Right? That's the triangle. 90 degrees. Let's go. We're just gonna let this one run. See what happens. It's moving to break even hit. Yeah. Break even has already been hit. So plus $25. Go ahead and record that. Another break even. Okay, let's let it play out. That's trading for you, doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. Yeah, let's just move on to the 15-minute time frame. Remove all of these distractions. Let it play out. I see something happening. See something happening. Okay, let's let it play out. Yo, that's so crazy. Ah, push upwards. Push towards the upwards is what I'm looking for. That's what I was waiting for. Yo, ngenzange mistile yazi. Don't rush it. I can get it. Doesn't make any sense for me. I'm just gonna come over here, do that. Yeah, most likely I missed it. Most likely. Oh, look at that. Alright, man. Ow. This is inverted. I'm selling. I'm not buying. It doesn't make any sense. I think you see that. So already in the trade. I'm already in the trade, okay? So, why did I place this trade? Right now, travel. That's the pattern. This is the series. Let me highlight it if you don't see it. This is the series. Okay. This is the series right there. Can either stop me out or it can do whatever. I don't know. I don't care. Okay. Just following my system here. The psychology of like letting letting the trade doing whatever it does without rushing to stop loss before it actually hits stop loss. Those are the skills that I have to develop as a successful trader. Accepting the risk. Okay. Seems gonna see Allah. See what it does. This consolidation is telling me there's a strong impulse coming. I don't know from which area, I don't know whether up or down, but there's a strong impulse move coming. there, there. There's the movement. Around 4x, God. Seed player. Spawn in Zagalan. Basically, let it do its thing, man. Okay, this is taking way too long. Let's just place it at the 15-minute. Yeah, for Noti placing 28, it's still going. Oh god, what's happening? Ooh, stopped out. It's a loss. A loss. Berserk. Yep. A loss. And with that, I'm concluding this part of the backtesting series. Backtesting the right angle trial. I like this because it's specific, it's clear, it's mechanical. There's no guesswork involved. And a loss is a loss, trade is a win is a win. Also, don't forget break even trades. So, yeah. That's it. Let me conclude this week. It's Friday. Let me just see where it'll go. Well, damn. What was that? Stop loss hunt. Yeah. Some of these things we cannot prevent, okay? But think about it. Why is it even going? Yeah, if it's pushing further downwards, then a greater stop loss would have made more sense. I really can't avoid stop losses, hey? They happen. They really do happen. Yep. With that, it's the conclusion of this part of the series. With that said, I'm signing out.